guys, it's another one of Silly Clams videos, and today I'm on the Hypixel server with happyhokey.
Hi, I'm only gonna be here for like one round, but hi.
And also, so we are going to be doing a build battle today, but you can't see happyhokey right now just because it's a busy place and it's really hard to find people. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with our team build battle. So, do.
Hi.
Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna do a camera.
I wanna do aquarium.
You're right, aquarium's better. It's camera anyway. Okay.
One of us could build a person posing for the camera.
What should we make the floor?
I'm thinking grass.
Grass. Okay. We could probably bone meal it some.
Yeah.
There we go. And
sort of like a tripod with a camera on it.
Yeah. I'm also gonna like have a person taking a picture of, I don't know, something. I don't know. I'm just gonna go ahead and build a person, build a camera by the person, and be good. We'll figure.
I have an idea for a camera.
Yeah. Then we'll bone meal the grass, make it look cool. Here. Oh, I don't know what. Okay, purple. This person's shirt is gonna be purple.
I like the color purple.
Because who cares?
It's just gonna be kind of like a tripod holding the camera.
Okay.
Stick, but I'm not going to.
That would probably be a little too hard for the time we have. So okay. Do you have an idea of what the thing that the person will be taking a picture of will be? Because I really don't know.
I have no idea. I'm just gonna do like some random people taking some other pictures. Maybe it's like a business spot.
Maybe. No. So, camera. Just gonna build a base of it and then just go from there. All right. I'm really not exactly sure what I'm doing.
I was thinking maybe there could be like a person taking a picture of somebody else.
I don't really know what I'm doing. Okay.
You know, somebody like sitting in the grass, maybe just like that's what I'm doing at least for this person. Yeah. There's gonna be kind of sitting in the grass, like with a flower, and like, taking a picture.
Okay, we have about 3 minutes, so maybe we could, there could be some parrots. They could be taking a picture of some parrots.
Yeah, maybe they're like, it's their anniversary, and they're like, hey, I'll take your pictures.
Sure. And then, okay.
Girls having their picture taken too, maybe like a pretty spot with some flowers, and so everybody's like, guys, take your pictures. There's a real random person, but they're like, hey, picture time.
Right on the world. You can't spawn parrots. Okay. What am I supposed to do now?
Make parents? Like one of us could make a girl, one of us could make a boy?
No, I think we could make a horse.
That's hard to make.
No, not make a horse, spawn horses. First I'm gonna bone meal the place up.
Oh yeah. Gotta do the person taking the pictures. That'll be so fun to look.
Mm-hmm. Yep. And then there's gonna be a pretty field of flowers with some horses.
No.
The baby spawned on top of it. What? Okay.
She's gonna have yellow hair. Yellow hair. Yellow hair. She's not really paying attention too much because,
Okay, that looks good. Just some horses.
Okay.
My person's taking a picture of horses. Yours is just kind of,
okay.
Yeah, me too. This one, I don't understand. I really don't understand. Oh, it's ours! Hold legendary. Boost to the thoughts.
It was like, bye girl, we really were just taking pictures of flowers, because, yeah. There's this, and then a spider.
I don't think it's finished.
Oh,
this one
is just sad.
Oh, I'm not sure.
What? That's sad.
Sure.
I'm
This
looking
is
at
just
one
a.
okay. It looks like it's got
Okay.
glass. This one, I'm giving this an epic. Just because it's, like, professional looking.
It's just a.
Why is there a camera being pointed at a camera?
I don't know. It's probably since it's a
epic
team build.
Because of the lighting.
I don't know. I'll say that isn't too bad. I'll give it an okay. Except for the fact that the person was literally had teeth, the weird teeth in. I think he's winking.
I don't know.
I don't
Why
know.
are the pigs in the camera? This is torture.
And look, the camera's blowing up. Oh, what?
Oh,
well, I'm not surprised. This wasn't too bad.
Yeah, I gave us so
So,
much.
4th place. We were 4th place. That isn't too bad. Well, that was nice. That was a... What? Why is it joining us in another one?
Emily would have liked it. Okay, well, I have to go.
Well, guys, this is where we're going to go ahead and wrap up the episode. I know it wasn't too long, but it was a very fun build battle. So, well, bye, guys. See you next time.